Are you relying on lemon water to protect your liver? Stop right now. Many people believe that a simple squeeze of lemon and water is enough to protect such a vital organ, but in reality, it does very little. I need you to hear this clearly. What you think is helping might actually be leaving your liver weak, stressed, and silently struggling day after day without you even realizing it. Your liver is constantly at work, filtering out toxins from the foods you eat, the environment you live in, and even the medications you take. It manages essential nutrients, balances hormones, and keeps your body functioning properly. When your liver is overloaded or neglected, you may begin to notice fatigue, bloating, digestive issues, brain fog, and a general feeling of being unwell. These symptoms are not trivial, they are signals from your body that your liver needs more care. Ignoring them can contribute to more serious long term health problems, including metabolic imbalances, weakened immunity, and chronic diseases. Today, I want to introduce you to a morning drink that goes beyond the limited effects of lemon water. This drink combines natural ingredients that have been scientifically shown to support liver health, aid detoxification, and even help regenerate liver cells. By incorporating this simple ritual into your morning routine, you can help your liver recover, boost your energy levels, improve your digestion, and create a foundation for long term health. This is not just another health trend, it's a practical, science backed approach to nurturing one of the most important organs in your body, giving you a chance to feel healthier, more balanced, and truly revitalized every single day. 1. Silent liver stress. Your liver works nonstop, filtering toxins from your blood, metabolizing nutrients, and supporting digestion. Many people believe that drinking lemon water daily is enough to protect this vital organ, but in reality, it provides minimal support. Ignoring early signs of liver stress can lead to subtle but noticeable symptoms like persistent fatigue, bloating, digestive discomfort, or even unexplained muscle aches. These are your liver's early SOS signals, warning that it's overburdened and needs help. Many people dismiss these symptoms as normal daily fatigue, but over time, neglecting liver health can reduce its ability to detoxify efficiently, affect metabolism, and impact overall energy levels. Supporting your liver requires more than lemon water. It involves targeted, science backed steps, including proper nutrition, lifestyle adjustments, and hydration. By listening to your body and providing consistent care, you can help your liver function optimally, prevent chronic stress, and maintain long term health and energy. 2. Early symptoms. Often missed feeling tired, sluggish, or mentally foggy is often seen as a normal part of life, but these subtle signs may indicate liver overload. The liver plays a critical role in detoxifying the body, regulating metabolism, and maintaining energy, and even mild dysfunction can cause noticeable symptoms over time. Low energy, digestive discomfort, bloating, or difficulty concentrating are common early warnings that often go unnoticed. Millions of people experience these symptoms without realizing that their liver is struggling. Recognizing these signs is essential because early intervention can prevent long term damage. Simple lifestyle changes like adjusting your diet, reducing alcohol and processed foods, staying hydrated, and incorporating gentle exercise can relieve liver stress and improve overall well being. Paying attention to these early cues helps you support liver function naturally, regain energy, and maintain long term health before serious problems arise. Awareness is the first step to meaningful change. 3. Common mistakes. A common misconception is that drinking lemon water on an empty stomach detoxifies the liver. While it feels like a healthy habit, it provides almost no real benefit for the liver regeneration or repair. People often rely on quick rituals, thinking they're helping their liver while the organ remains overworked and stressed. This can create a false sense of progress while the body silently struggles. Another frequent mistake is assuming extreme cleanses, detox diets, or over the counter detox products are helpful. They often strip essential nutrients and increase stress on the liver instead. True liver support requires science backed methods, nutrient rich foods, hydration, gentle exercise, and consistent sustainable habits. Small, realistic daily changes rather than trendy quick fixes allow the liver to regenerate naturally, improve energy, and optimize detoxification over time. Awareness and intentional actions are key to avoiding these common pitfalls and supporting your liver effectively. 4. Hidden dangers in popular habits. Many popular detox trends, like extreme juice cleanses, fasting programs, or unregulated supplements, claim to cleanse your liver but can actually harm it. These methods often deprive the body of essential nutrients, creating additional stress rather than promoting healing. The liver needs a balanced supply of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to regenerate and function optimally. Misguided habits may temporarily make you feel lighter or healthier, but long term they can weaken liver function, reduce energy, and interfere with natural detoxification processes. Many people unknowingly repeat these mistakes, thinking they're doing something beneficial. Instead, focusing on sustainable, evidence based approaches like nutrient dense meals, gentle daily activity, hydration, and targeted liver supporting routines provides real repair and protection. Being mindful of these hidden dangers helps you avoid setbacks and ensures your liver remains strong, resilient, and able to support your overall health naturally. Now, I want to take a few moments to explain in detail what you can do to help your liver recover step by step. This isn't about quick fixes or trendy detoxes that promise results overnight. Those often do more harm than good. Instead, we're talking about real, sustainable changes that support your liver's natural ability to heal, regenerate, and function at its best. By following simple, science backed steps each day, you can gradually reduce stress on your liver, improve its ability to process toxins, and restore its balance. These steps include adopting a nourishing morning routine, making mindful dietary choices, staying hydrated, and incorporating gentle physical activity. When done consistently, these small but powerful actions can help your liver regain strength, improve your energy levels, and enhance overall health. The key is commitment, awareness, and listening carefully to your body's signals. 1. Morning Liver Rebuilder Drink. Start your day with a simple liver supporting drink that goes beyond lemon water. Combine warm water with a teaspoon of turmeric, a squeeze of fresh lemon, and a pinch of black pepper. Turmeric contains curcuminoids, compounds scientifically proven to support liver cell regeneration and reduce inflammation. Black pepper enhances the absorption of these beneficial compounds, making the drink more effective. Lemon adds a refreshing flavor and mildly supports digestion, but it alone is not enough to improve liver health. Drinking this combination daily can help the liver process toxins more efficiently, boost its natural repair mechanisms, and increase your energy levels. Making this a consistent part of your morning routine provides a gentle yet powerful foundation for liver health, supporting your body's natural detoxification processes while giving you a practical and easy step toward long term wellness. 2. Liver friendly nutrition. What you eat directly impacts liver function. Focus on nutrient rich foods that aid regeneration, such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, and healthy fats from sources like avocado and olive oil. These foods supply antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals essential for liver detoxification and repair. Even small daily additions, like a side of steamed vegetables or a drizzle of olive oil, can accumulate significant long term benefits. Avoid processed snacks, excess sugar, and overly fatty foods, which can overload the liver. By choosing whole, nutrient dense meals, you support your liver's ability to neutralize toxins, produce bile efficiently, and maintain overall metabolic balance. Over time, these dietary habits can improve energy levels, reduce bloating, and enhance overall health, while strengthening the liver's natural regenerative capacity. 3. Limit alcohol and processed foods. Alcohol and processed foods place a heavy burden on the liver, even in moderate amounts. Each drink or sugary snack forces the liver to work harder to metabolize toxins and sugars, which can contribute to long term damage if repeated consistently. Reducing these substances is not about restriction. It's an act of self care that allows your liver to recover and function optimally. Observe how your energy, digestion, and mood improve when you cut back. By minimizing alcohol and processed sugar, you give your liver a break and create a healthier internal environment. Over time, this leads to better detoxification, increased energy, improved metabolism, and stronger overall resilience. Small, consistent adjustments can produce profound long term effects, supporting both liver health and general well being. 4. Hydration and gentle exercise. Proper hydration is essential for detoxification and overall liver health. Water supports the liver in transporting and eliminating toxins efficiently. Pair hydration with gentle daily movement, such as walking, stretching, or yoga for 20 to 30 minutes. Exercise enhances circulation, aids digestion, and promotes natural detox processes. Even brief sessions of consistent activity increase energy, reduce stress, and improve metabolism. This combination of hydration and movement strengthens the liver's ability to regenerate and maintain optimal function. By making these habits a regular part of your routine, you provide your body with ongoing support that complements dietary and lifestyle changes, helping your liver recover, maintain balance, and boost your overall health naturally over time. Pause for a moment and reflect. How does your liver feel today? Tired? Bloated? Foggy? These are your liver's signals that it needs support. And remember, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with hidden liver stress without even realizing it. It's easy to dismiss fatigue or sluggishness as just life, but these can be early warnings that your liver is overloaded and working harder than it should. Share your experience in the comments. Talk about what has worked for you and what hasn't. By connecting with others, you gain motivation, support, and a better understanding of your own health. Small, consistent actions can create powerful changes over time, and seeing others navigate the same challenges can help you stay committed. Here's what we've learned in this video. Lemon water alone is too weak to protect your liver. Watch for subtle symptoms, silent liver stress, and harmful habits that unknowingly harm your body. Start your morning with a liver rebuilding drink made from turmeric, lemon, and black pepper. Science shows it supports liver regeneration far more effectively than plain lemon water. Incorporate liver-friendly foods like leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and healthy fats, while limiting alcohol and processed sugars that overload your liver. Don't forget to stay hydrated and move daily, even with gentle exercises like walking, stretching, or yoga, which help your liver naturally cleanse and regenerate. Every small step matters. You can start protecting and rebuilding your liver today. Notice the changes, celebrate the small wins, and share your journey with others. You're not alone. Every day is a chance to strengthen your liver, regain energy, and reclaim your health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more science-backed health tips. Your liver and your future self will thank you. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos designed to help you feel your best.